my at last own power Macintosh machine that actually powers on. And I'm not going to say it works, because I don't think it works. My other power Macintosh would actually power on, I guess. It would do the startup chime, but then nothing would ever happen. Like, the hard drive wouldn't spin up because it was not there. CD-ROM drive was also non-existent. So was the floppy drive. It had just been gutted, except for the ROM chips and the logic board, it seems like. I'm just going to power it on. I'm going to have a longer video of like what I did to it that broke it more than it already was. I already have recorded it. But for some reason Sony Vegas wouldn't install. My dad just bought it for me. Okay. Still using the same keyboard and mouse. Listen carefully. Keep listening. Real healthy, eh? Okay, so what happens is the cursor shows up. I can move the mouse and everything. Just nothing ever happens. Caps lock light doesn't come on. I can, in fact, turn the volume up and down for some reason. The CD-ROM drive is functional, but now that I've busted the hard drive entirely, the system doesn't know what to do with it, and I cannot reinstall the OS. Or even boot from the OS, for that matter. Oh, and this disc was bootable. I downloaded it off the web, though. Yeah, you just eventually have to go back here and, Hang on a minute, Mom. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much. Bye.